morning, guys. Good morning. We got rolling pretty early this morning. Stopped here in Kingdom City, Missouri. Got us a shower. Fresh crack, and we are back.
Yep.
I think there's your title right there. Fresh crack, and we are back. She don't look like she's too amused by it.
All I know is I'm just...
We'll see who wins that on this one.
Of course, always you.
No. You won when you married me.
I'm just ready to start rolling and
Hey, no comment.
these miles under our belt for the day.
No comment.
No comments. Well, I guess I gotta say I'm pretty lucky.
You're damn lucky. Oh, hell.
It's like 84 degrees.
Who else can treat you like the queen you are?
Probably nobody.
Oh, I'm sure there'd be plenty. Not like me.
Goodness, I'm real dehydrated today.
Very dehydrated.
My eyes watering and itching so bad yesterday.
I had to stop and take a little nappy nap this morning. Got some miles behind us. It's Jesus. I think I need to shut my eyes for a little bit.
And so we did. I don't think I even really fell asleep. You know that in between sleep we do when you lay down and try to take a nap.
You know you fell asleep, but it didn't work.
Yeah, and you still wake up just as tired as you were when you laid down for the nap. That says 54 East to Mexico. Mexico, Missouri, that is. Having a wee bit of a hot flash right now.
You could have went, but I don't trust these guys.
Lily's supposed to be working on orders this weekend. Hopefully she feels a little bit better. I haven't got a chance to talk to any of the kids today. I know Mook, when we talked to her yesterday, she said she was disowning her sister. And she had to go at lunch break to go pick up cold medicine. So I'm guessing Mook has got hit with the bug. Seems like G might be feeling a little bit better, which is good.
I took my cold medicine this morning.
He did take your cold medicine this morning.
I think we're running out of cold medicine though.
I know, we need to hit a Walmart and get you some more.
Yeah, that ain't gonna happen.
Either that or I'll double check the cover again and see if we have any more. But now it is time to roll onto the big road. Our poor truck is dirty today.
Yeah,
It
she's
was
pretty dirty.
dirty yesterday too. Pups are all hunkered down, laying down. Got fur everywhere. I swear the way these puppies lose their fur, they should be both naked and bone.
She said naked. I mean, that's time for not a 30-minute break.
No.
Well,
Alright guys. On that note, we love you.